So now Luna is outside the cage. She's up here, and Napoleon and Molly are here. So let's see. Hi Napoleon. What are you doing? Hi Molly. Hi Napoleon. They like to eat soil. I don't know why. There is probably some bacteria inside the soil that they are eating. And now Luna came here. Hi Luna. Do you also want to be with us? Hi. Hi Luna. How are you doing? Oh, you are so cute. Little Luna. Napoleon is here on the TV. Now on the cage. And Molly is here. And you were sitting there, Luna. Hi. You're very brave. You're a very brave bird. You are not allowed to pick on my tomato plants, that's for sure. Here are my 11 tomato plants. That was all for now. Thanks for all the likes and comments, and hope you liked the video. Bye.